Hey everybody, this is Sean over at Weirs Buick GMC on Route 1 in Arundel, Maine, and today I'm really excited to give you a look at this beautiful 2019 GMC Sierra AT4. This is going to take the place of the old all-terrain package. A lot of great things about this truck. 2-inch lift from the factory. You got some AT4 badging. This one here has a 5.3 liter V8. You got some red tow hooks, a lot of great styling features, all color keyed bumper and grille. You got this really aggressive Goodyear Wrangler tire on here. You got some assist steps built onto the truck. This is a double cab. You got the bumper steps, which are synonymous with the GMC bumper. Much bigger this year, easier to get up into the back of the bed. You got your park assist sensors here. You got your trailering equipment already built in. You do have the multi-pro tailgate, one of the new cool things. So multiple tailgate configurations. You got your standard tailgate with a stop for your materials here. And again, this will quickly drop down and turn into a step. Also make it a lot easier to get into the back of the bed here. So when you're camping, you're gonna have access to all your stuff. You got a power rear sliding window in there, and then we got some oversized mirrors. These are bigger mirrors than came on the 18s. You do have your blind spot indicator as part of a driver alert package here. AT4 has a custom leather interior, as you can see here. Power seats for the driver. You got some all-weather mats here, all badged up with this AT4 badging. Memory seats, power windows, power locks. You got Bose here. Hopping in, you got push-button four-wheel drive controls. This one's got a sport mode as well. As you can see, the little checkered flag shows up there. Fog lights, bed lights. On the steering wheel here, you got a heated steering wheel on this one, cruise control settings, hands-free vehicle information screen settings. You can check out a lot of great info. Paired up into the IntelliLink system here, 8-inch screen, nav, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, dual climate zones. This one's got heated as well as cooled seats, trail brake controller, a bunch of really cool options, including your park assist sensors. This vehicle does have an auto stop start feature. You can disable that if you wanted to. You got a button for your tailgate to let that down. You got some wireless charging here. And then taking a look in the second row here, again, you get that custom leather interior back here. Your seats fold right up, extra storage, and you even got some great power options for your passengers back here. So we're really excited about this new run of GMC Sierra pickup trucks for 2019. Love to talk to you more about this one in particular. If you want to give me a call, my direct number is 207-604-7219. I appreciate your time and have a great day.